moves you can do with this are pretty much organized into two categories. The vertical type trick, also called a propeller, because when it's spinning, it looks like a plane propeller. And the horizontal type trick, which is called the helicopter style, because it looks like a helicopter blade when you do crazy tricks like that. The Tick-Tock is the basic propeller style back and forth to keep it in the air. To do the helicopter, you're going to do the Tick-Tock, but instead of just hitting it back and forth in the plane, you're going to pull with one stick and push with the other. And I'm left-handed, so typically I'm pulling with my right hand and pushing with my left. But you can see if I pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, that starts to get it to go around in a circle. The basics of these tricks, you can contact with both sticks at the same time. And it sometimes will give you a lot better control. And so for the helicopter, you can do the same thing, contact with both sticks, but then push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull.